Wow, it has been a long time since I made a drink with Crown Royal. Why don't we change that? Hey everybody, I'm Eric, the Drink Idiot, and this is An Idiot's Liquor, the show where I show you guys how to make drinks because, well, if this idiot here can do it, then so can you. And I recently reached out in my community tab and I said, what do you guys like to drink? What is your favorite types of liqueurs or liquors? And I don't get tons of responses because I only have a couple thousand subs, so it's not like I get hundreds of responses, but I did get a response saying that Crown Royal, do something with Crown Royal. So because someone took the time to ask me to do something with Crown Royal, well, here we are. I have a bottle and it's time to make a cocktail. Now this drink is called the Red Snapper. It is one that was taken from the Crown Royal website, and I did change the ratios around just a tiny bit because, I don't like drinks that don't have a lot of booze in them, and that one just didn't have enough for my liking. So let's get started making this drink. So I just have myself a highball glass that I've filled with ice. That's how we're going to start off. And this is very, very simple. Crown Royal, going to be 1.5 ounces of the Crown Royal. I'm just going to barely have enough. Ooh. Gonna make a liquor store run here. Di Serono. I love that cap on Di Serono. So it's an Amaretto. 1/2 ounce of Amaretto. Just gonna go in there next. And all we're gonna do now is take a little bit of cranberry juice and we're just gonna top it up with some cranberry juice. Should be around 6 to 8 ounces total. That is enough to fill that up. Give it a nice little stir. Doesn't have to be a crazy stir, just a few seconds, enough to kind of incorporate everything together. I'm just going to take a orange wheel, not an orange peel, and garnish it with that, and that is going to be it. That's all there is to it. And this is how you make the Red Snapper cocktail. Not bad at all. I'm not crazy about the tartness of cranberry juice. However, this drink, the whiskey and the Amaretto really cut down on the amount of tartness that comes through. It's actually a very quality sipper drink. Something that, I think would make a lot of people really happy to try. Bum, 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 dun, 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 dun. Yeah. I'd be happy to drink it over and over again. Well, that's it for me. Like I said, if you have anything specific you'd like to see, put it in the comments down below. I do read them, and I do take them very seriously. So, let me know what you're interested in seeing, and maybe, just maybe, I'll try it out on the show. So until next time, everybody, I want to thank you for watching this one, and remember that if this idiot can do it, well, so can you.